discuss very important topic, how to make the video by using image and music. The first option, select your company website. So what are the website? First of all, you have to decide. This will be interior website. So interior will be mostly we can looking for images to explain the video. To explain the video. And next one that will be design any kind of video or image to video.com. Image to video.com. In this one, to design any kind of images, first of all, there are two options are there. The slideshow and animated. First one is animated and slideshow. These two will be, one is animated, second will be slideshow. You select for animated. What are the image you are uploading? Everything. It didn't upload the all images once. One by one is not accepted. What are the images you are uploading in this folder? One by one is not accepting. You can upload only for editing in all images. Select here. Go to particular folder. Project. Select it. Select all images once. Here will be very important is a welcome screen and closed option and your subscribe button. So you can change any options here. Is it clear? Click for next. Next will be add the music. So a lot of people are, sir, I'm using music, they will be go to copyright. The copyright purpose, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Select your particular channel. Select it. Your channel. Customize. How do we can download the free music? This is a no copyright policy. Go to Video Manager. Go to Video Manager. Here we can show the two options, latest version and the old version. So in this, I'll show the two versions. Any YouTube will be whatever the music is there, it's totally free, no copyrights. In this, select your option. Once wait for uploading, loading your page. See this one. Every option here. Other future. What that? Other future. In this other future, option is called audio library. Other future option called is audio library. What are the music you want? Select and download. First listen. Click for download. This is all your free music. For download the total free music. First of all, any music will be very peaceful and everything. Not for zigzag music. Don't download the for any kind of image to video making websites. This will be very smooth and classic video. So after that, select your audio file. Just go to your download folder. Select by music and select by option. Next one, very important, add your logo. Logo nothing but the video total watermark. Nobody can copy your video purpose. Select it. Go to particular folder. Every video watermark is mandatory. People easily find out in purpose. Next, add the URL on your text with your phone number. Now click for next. Just started by create exactly 1 minute of time. The video will be finished. The base the animated. The time will be decided by each video. The started your streaming. The finish the video. We'll do only one thing. Any image dot the image to video.com will be using every image. You can for certain folder will be fixed. It will be selected by all image in one time. There's a major important syntax. All image pick the only for one time. After change your image alignment, add your music by downloading YouTube. And second thing will be using my logo with your add your text. Text is mandatory. People easily find out your website URL and your phone number and your WhatsApp number. So is the downloading going to finish? Is the maximum taking for 1 minute or less than 3 minutes? Maximum 1 minute less than 3 minutes. So is the finishing fast? The total depend on your internet speed. So depend on internet speed. It's a very easy to make the video using for online tool image to video.com along with your animation. Without animation, we have the one more option is called EZVid. To download the EZVid is a very important. So they will be finished up to your 98%. When you finish 100%, 98% to 100%, they will take the time. Will be finishing your conclusion of your video. So wait for a few seconds. Video ready. Now click for your video. I'll keep it on mute, the voice. Now play the video with your making for animated video. Within you listen by music. So what the image will be? You can see the call and WhatsApp in the below text. Call and WhatsApp. This total will depend on your particular option. The totally animated video. For downloading, download this video or download this video. Two options. Download. Is it clear? This is called very important option. So whatever we can mention here. So everything will be welcome screen will be. So anytime you can make the video to use by your channels. So there is no certain limit per day how many videos you can make. How many videos you want, you can make the video, everything on your option. If coming to second option, you can install ezvid.com. You can install ezvid.com. Ezvid already will give some music, but is a copyright. Is a copyright. Is a total is a offline tool. Is a exe file we can download. In the previous data uploaded by the YouTube, now is a changing for download your desktop. The video will download will be two options. With the watermark, without watermark. The video will making for with the watermark, without watermark. But here, every minute, every second, you have to decide the image dragging. Select new one. Select it. I'll show one by one how will be designed the EZVid. Close it. Now, what is it? Watermark. Is a totally difference. Add your watermark. Select it. Watermark. Add watermark. Next, what is the folder you design? Control A. Asterisk. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. So after that, you can change your alignment. So what is your first image? What is your last image? You always remember what are the image you design. You have to drag yourself. This automatically can select your fixes like second and the time. But here everything you can decide. how much you need to drag. But video will require minimum how many minutes? 1 minute or above 1 minute. Just drag. Some email will be not dragging, some email will be drag. See, some images are not dragging. Only few email will be drag. That image we can add by in between the images. Clear? This will be subscriber and contact. Contact screen will be showing for very important. Now we can give by any zoom option, pan and zoom. But I'm not giving any zoom. Zoom will be given only for things. Which is I'm using for more. Done. Okay. Now you can see. I'll select by music. Music always existing will be there, but I'm not selecting for existing music. Now, see this, you can use any music here. So we'll come to here. We'll make it for use my own. Use my own. So where you can download the music by YouTube. Select it. Download music and anything you can listen. Yeah. Here will be music will be added on your particular video. So after that, you can play the video here. You can check first the music added or not. Is it clear? The video will be downloaded by two options, with the logo, without watermark. With the watermark and without watermark. This with watermark and without. Now click for save video. This is the one more option. So compare with the online tool. This will be second tool by offline. Second will be offline. One is online, image to video. Second will be EZVid. How to download by EZVid? Select ezvid.com. It's not a big task. Only for go to ezvid.com. Here in the right corner of the open of the site, they are downloaded by the Windows PC. They support previous Windows and Mac. Now they support only for Windows. Ezvid for Windows. You can download in a fraction of seconds used by your watermark. They give one welcome screen, that is a remove your compulsory is a mandatory. This one. And they not give by the video making for EZVid, they not give any watermark. What are the watermark you mentioned? They give the watermark. Up to 45 minutes will be free. Up to 45 minutes will be free. And the second option, EZ main goal is called to record your live screen also. To recording a live stream. What are the explanation in your screen? They will be recorded. They will be recorded. See this. So it will be going to finish. When you finish by 100%, the video will be successful, will be downloaded. The video will be two process, with the watermark, without watermark. This is called to make the video with the image and with the music.